everyone, welcome to a new video. Let's begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 6 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, welcome to the Animal Kingdom chapter number 50. In this chapter, you will see various kinds of animals given in this picture, and after observing the picture, you have to name them. So let's observe them, identify them and write the answers for them quickly. Let's begin with it. The name of the first animal here given in the picture is armadillo. Then the second picture is of Ai. Third picture belongs to cassowary. Fourth is meerkat. Fifth is puffin bird. Sixth is gibbon. Then we have the seventh, quokka, 8th aardvark, and the 9th belongs to the Himalayan tahr. So these are the respective names of the animals in this chapter. Let's move on to the next page. On this page, the question says that how well do you know the animal world? To find out, choose the correct option to answer the following questions. And let's see what are the questions given below. We'll read the options for them and then mark tick on the correct answer. So let's begin with it. The first question is, which of these birds can rotate its neck at 270 degrees? And is the option kite, owl or toucan? And the answer for this question is owl. Then the second question is, which of these creatures can a hippopotamus outrun? Is it antelope, is it cheetah, or is it the human being? And the answer is C, human being. Then we have the third question, which of the following type of mammals lay eggs instead of giving birth? And the first option is ungulates, second is marsupials, third is monotremes, and the answer for this question is monotremes. Then we have the fourth question, which of these animals is an omnivore? So the options are deer, bear and panther. So it's neither deer nor panther, the answer is bear. Next we have the fifth question, which member of the big cat family has species with both prefixes Indian and Siberian? Is the option A, lion, B, tiger or C, leopard? And the answer is tiger. Then we have the sixth question, which of these is not really a bear? The first option given is sun bear, B is grizzly bear, and the C option koala bear, and the answer for this question is koala bear. Let's move to the seventh question. The seventh question is, which of these is a cold-blooded animal? The options are frog, eagle and rat, and the correct answer is frog. Then the eighth question is, which of these refers to a layer of fat that helps animals such as walruses, seals and penguins to keep them warm? And what is that layer of fat called as? Is it called blighter, blabber or blubber? And the answer is blubber. Then the ninth question, the last question here, how many compartments does the stomach of a cow have? And the options are 2, 4 and 1. The answer for this question is 4. Now your answer please children. It says, how do you think birds navigate and how do they know exactly to which route they can take every year when they migrate? Very interesting question for you children. Look for the answers of the question. Next we have the quick fact. And the quick fact given over here, it says that a giraffe has 7 bones in its neck, which is the same as a human neck. However, they are much larger. वो ज़्यादा बड़ी होती है as compared to the human neck. So this was all about the chapter. I hope you must have liked it and gathered a vast knowledge about animals. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.